In this video, I'm gonna give you 5 easy steps to master any kiss. All right, guys, to help me break down the 5 rules of kissing, I've got my lovely, pretty, sexy girlfriend, Nicole, to help me out with this one. Rule number 1 is dominance. Whenever you're gonna kiss a girl, you have to be dominant, guys. Don't be afraid to put your hands on her and pull her into you for the kiss. Girls are totally unattracted by a guy that's timid and unsure of himself. So when you're there, about to kiss her, pull her into you and kiss her. Don't let her pull you into her. That's not a good look, guys. That doesn't work. So when you're there, be dominant. You want her. Show her that you want her. Pull her into you and lay down those pretty little lips. Rule number 2. This is so important because if you mess this rule up, guys, the whole kiss is done. You've lost it. You're not getting laid. You're not moving to second base, whatever. So this is what you gotta do. This is the rule. It's right here. If you want to kiss her right, turn your head right. This is what I mean. When you're going in for that kiss, you don't go left. You don't go straight and hit noses. You turn right. Always turn right. It's so crucial. Rule number 3 is dance with her lips. Here's a little secret nobody ever tells you. There's no such thing as the perfect kiss. Kissing is all about adapting to the girl. Here's the thing. Some girls, in a kiss, they open their mouth really wide. Some open it really narrow. Some dart their tongue out really fast. Some don't use tongue. Some go crazy, some don't. So you gotta feel what she's doing in the first 1 second and match it. So look, if she starts opening her mouth pretty wide, you have to do that. You have to adapt her way of kissing. If not, you're gonna screw the whole thing up. If she starts darting her tongue out, no, I'm not like that. You lost no matter what. If she does that, you lost no matter what. But here's the whole basis of it, guys. Whatever she does, you gotta follow along and match her. There's no such thing as one perfect kiss. Perfect kiss is basically being in harmony with the girl you're kissing. Rule number 4, and this goes back to dominance, guys. Put your hands on her face when you're kissing her. You want her. Show her that she's yours in that moment. So when you're kissing her, how awkward is it to have your hands straight down? It's pretty awkward. You want to have your hands right just like this. Very gentle. This is what I'm doing, guys. Around her neck, and one hand in front of her ear. And same thing with the other hand. And I'm very gently pulling her towards me. That's going to leave her wanting more. Alright guys, lastly is rule number 5, and this is one of the biggest secrets that you guys should not tell anybody. After you kiss a girl, there's one thing you should do that's going to turn every girl on. She's going to be begging to take you home with her, and that's after the kiss, leave her with a gentle pet. She's going to think about this kiss over and over in her mind. Oh, this guy is so sweet. So, check this out. After you kiss her, so after you have your long kiss, look at her in the eyes, like that. You can also, if you want, if you move right, kiss on the forehead. Then leave her at the end of your kiss with a gentle peck on the lip. She's gonna love it. She's gonna think of you every single time. Alright guys, that's all you guys need to know to become master kissers. Go out there, go practice. But babe, do you have anything you want to add? Keep your eyes closed. Keep your eyes closed at all times, no matter how tempting it is. Get your eyes open. Keep them closed. Keep them closed. Keep them closed. I love you guys so much. If you like this new type of video where I teach you guys something, let me know in the comments below. Give it a big thumbs up. I love you guys so much, and I will catch you on the next video.